So we have Venugopal Menanji from Bobst. Sir, how is the show for you for Pamex?
Well, we are only into second day of the show. Yesterday was started a bit slow. But I think yesterday, being the first day, Monday of the first day of the week, I think people started moving in the second half. But today it was very busy, I would say. We had quite a good footfall from customers all across India. Especially we find customers a lot coming from south and western part of India, few from north India. Overall, good footfall, yeah.
Any international customer arriving?
No, not really international. I think it's more of customers coming from India. Yeah.
And what else? What are you displaying in the show?
In this booth today we are displaying our new folder gluer called Novafold. Novafold is a machine which was launched in 2022 by Bobst, and this is the model which has replaced our Ambition series, which was being manufactured by Bobst in India. So basically Novafold will replace Ambition, and we have also brought in a lot of features of Vision Fold into this machine. So this is a fully configured machine we are running, and we are trying to show in this expo the full capability of a Novafold. So running from a smallest box at high speed to a very complex box with partition and cavity.
Okay.
So we are showing the full capability range of this machine, how fast we can do a changeover. So if a customer wants to show how fast we can do a changeover, we are also able to demonstrate how fast and how easy it is to change over from one style to another style.
So this is the only product you are promoting?
Yeah, in this expo we are only showcasing the folder gluer, and for that matter this machine is made in India, Novafold. So as all of you know that Bobst has a global manufacturing plant in Pune, where we make folder gluers for the worldwide market. So this particular machine is made in India.
So how many machines currently are there in India, Novafold?
Novafold was launched in 2022. As on date,
it's recently launched.
Exactly, last year. So as on date, we have already sold close to 15 machines.
15 machines
already sold. Some of them already installed, some have yet to be shipped. So close to 15 machines.
So it's a good number. 15 is a good number.
And just we sold today this machine to a customer in Delhi called DJS Printers. So DJS Printers. So this machine will go to DJS Printers in Manaser.
That's great.
Up north.
So you have a good show, in fact.
Yeah.
So can you tell me about Bobst? What is the focus for Bobst in the coming year? Strategy?
Bobst, as you know that we are into 4 verticals. So we are into folding carton, corrugated, flexible packaging and labels.
Correct.
And the Bobst vision today is that how can we shape, as a market leader, how can we shape the future of the packaging world, which is based on 4 pillars of sustainability, automation, digitalization and connectivity. So we want to build all our future technologies based on these 4 platforms, and this is how the vision is, and that is how the machines will be exhibited and demonstrated going forward. And yeah, that is what I
And how do you see the industry moving ahead?
Industry packaging, I always say that we are still lot of scope in packaging in India. We are still very small. Of course, we can have sometimes a cyclical nature of the business. For example, the last 3 months was a bit slow in terms of consumption and demand. So when consumption and demand goes down, the packaging of course goes down. But we see very strongly coming back in the next quarter, and we feel that in the coming months it should come back to its original growth, what was happening in the last couple of years. Yeah.
So as compared to the developed nations, what is the difference in the Indian market?
Oh, I would say that we are at par when it comes to technology, especially on the folding carton. Even if it's a pre-press, it is a printing press or the converting, I think we are more or less at par in terms of technology, what customers in India is adopting compared to what customers are adopting. Okay, in abroad, sometimes we have customers who are going to much more automation, much more high productive machines, because the labor cost is very expensive in abroad. So they want very high productive machines with huge high level of automation, which will come in India maybe in next 5, 10, 15 years. But this is what the difference is. Otherwise, as a technology platform goes, we are more or less comparable to what people are.
What is the USP of Bobst?
I think if a customer wants to have the most reliable, productive machine in the world, if he is looking for innovation, if he is looking that Bobst can do a handhold support in his growth story. I think this is where we play a key role to a customer, whether he is an existing customer or a customer getting into packaging. So these four things brings in a lot of confidence to a customer when he investing in a machine like Bobst, and this is, I think, has been our USP over the years.
Thank you, sir. Do you want to add something for our audience? Thank you for your time. Thank you.